Introduction to LaTeX Using Overleaf. Hi there, I have a little story to tell you. My professor asked us to produce a professionally formatted article on one of the topics we were learning in our astronomy class. I was really overwhelmed by how I would do this. How would I make it look professional? Could I just type it up and format it in Word? What does a professional article look like? I set out to do some research online and I discovered something really cool. I had heard about LaTeX before, but it always seemed so daunting. I learned that I could create a professionally formatted article using an online LaTeX editor called Overleaf. So I started creating my article in Overleaf and discovered how easy it was to use to format my content in LaTeX. I thought maybe others would benefit from learning about how to use Overleaf. So I decided to create this course to show you step by step how to duplicate the article I wrote for my astronomy class using Overleaf. So what will you learn? Well, we will start off with some of the basics first and learn how to insert text and images, format paragraphs, and add sections and subsections. Then we'll get into some more advanced topics such as inserting and formatting tables, creating a 2-column article, and how to handle floats in LaTeX. Are you interested? By the end of this course, you'll not only have learned about LaTeX and the online editor Overleaf, but you'll have your own professionally formatted example article. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you inside.